Hey there, everybody. Allison here, the Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading, and I'm going to talk to you about a long-term trade idea on Microsoft. So I have pulled up the monthly chart, and down here at the bottom is my true low indicator. For those of you unfamiliar with this indicator, the idea behind it is supposed to help identify bottom of the barrel sale prices on whatever chart you're looking at. It's not supposed to print on every pullback and low. There are plenty of other indicators that can help you with that. This is supposed to help find that discount bottom of the barrel price. And so as you can see, if you bought Microsoft anywhere in here, of course, those were some pretty good discount prices before the run up. More recently, we had a print back here in 2015. Obviously, even if you bought in at the high of that bar, at 44.19. That looks great, right? More recently, we had a print in 2022, 2023, when we had the pullback that year. Obviously, that was a good discount price for how things have run up. And now we've gotten a new signal to print. It doesn't mean it can't take some time to consolidate in your area. Time is your best friend whenever you're trading with the true low indicator. But especially on a monthly time frame where you're look each bar is a month, so you definitely want to give yourself time. Normally this would be a place where I would consider buying shares, and for those of you with large enough accounts, certainly a place to consider doing so. I wouldn't mind if it got back towards the bottom of this range around 356 and everything else was holding up on the indicators. I wouldn't mind trying to add in there in my kids account, but right now I decided to play this a little bit differently, given that there is a squeeze. We are starting to get bullish signals here, and the overall trend on the monthly is still bullish. So what I was looking at was the possibility of getting back up towards this ATR trailing stop and the top of this range, not necessarily the push past it yet, by the January monthly expiration. So what I did over in the small lots room here at Simpler is I jumped into the 540, 550, 555 broken wing butterfly. Now I paid, I think, about 98 cents for this. I will say this mark has been jumping around. So even when I got filled on it the other day, it was jumping around. So be mindful of that. But a dollar risk versus a max profit of around $900, all for it. Even if this ramps up, let's say it's at this level before the end of the year or it completely blows past it, that's okay. Broken wing debit butterfly set up like this would still have a profit potential completely in the money in this case. If I paid $1 for the trade, it goes completely in the money. It still has a $4 profit potential. So 1 to 4 risk versus reward completely in the money, a 1 to 9 risk versus reward if it pins, and plenty of time to try and have this trade work out on a monthly to at the very least get back into this range, if not for the break higher. So that's what I'm looking at. Once again, this could also be considered a share buy-in place if you prefer that, right? That way you don't have to worry about theta. But that is the trade idea I am eyeing right now for a long-term setup on Microsoft. Thank you all so much for joining me. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye.
Hey, Allison Ostrander here, Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. As always, may the trade be with you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.